Is your company currently using Microsoft Dynamics AX, GP, or NAV? Are you considering moving to the new Microsoft Dynamics 365 platform? If so, you likely have a number of questions like, how long will an upgrade take? As any consultant will tell you, this depends completely on the legacy system and the number of customizations, interfaces, and third-party solutions that a company uses. However, we believe vanilla, out-of-the-box, or pre-configured upgrades can take 2 to 16 weeks, while full enterprise transformation upgrades can take up to 9 months or more. Another question you may have is, what offers does Microsoft have for existing Dynamics ERP clients to help them move to Dynamics 365? We're happy to report here that Microsoft is currently offering up to 40% off licensing for existing Dynamics users. And finally, you may be asking what a Dynamics 365 upgrade process looks like. And while every partner has their own way of approaching Dynamics 365 implementations and upgrades, Upgrade365 from Merit Solutions enables companies to more easily and cost-effectively move to Dynamics 365 from systems like AX, GP, and NAV. The first step of the Upgrade365 methodology is solution identification and evaluation. As with any systems upgrade, there are costs associated with moving from AX, GP, and NAV to Dynamics 365. We help you understand these costs and the impact of switching to a subscription-based licensing model. During this step, we build a project budget and timeline. We also define environment strategies, testing plans, and training plans, and we begin cutover planning to model what go-live will look like for your organization. The next step of Upgrade365 is the design and analysis phase. During this phase, we see a bimodal distribution of client requirements and therefore see 2 different upgrade paths. The first path is our Rapid 365 approach, which is for organizations that want to deploy a pre-configured, best practices approach to Dynamics 365. Organizations that are fit for Rapid 365 are willing to accept a pre-configured system in order to reduce costs and speed deployment and time to value, or they tend to have vanilla AX, GP, or NAV environments. The second path is our business transformation mapping process, which is for organizations looking to undertake an enterprise transformation by streamlining processes and configuring Dynamics 365 to fit their unique processes. Organizations that are a fit for this path tend to be more complex and globally distributed, or they find unique differentiations not just in what they do or make, but how they do or make it. In either path, during the design and analysis phase, it is important to fit gap processes and especially code customizations and ISV solutions against new Dynamics 365 system functionality. We use industry and technology best practices to map features, identify solutions, and if necessary, redesign third-party integrations. The next step of Upgrade365 is the execution phase, or the technical upgrade. A lot of activities happen during this phase that are critical to the success of your Microsoft Dynamics 365 upgrade. During data migration, we define and document strategies for data cleansing, data retention, historical data, and migration plans. And with Upgrade365, we combine unique data migration templates with proven tools and processes that ensure a quicker and more reliable migration of your legacy data. In some instances, custom code and reports in your AX, GP, or NAV system will need to be replicated in Dynamics 365. It is extremely important that these functionalities are redesigned utilizing latest coding best practices, such as extensions and data packages. Many Dynamics ERP users also rely on a number of ISV applications or integrations with other platforms. We have a very strong integration team that develops solutions that overcome restrictions with connecting directly to SaaS environments. And we take the lead when upgrading compliant ISV apps, working directly with vendors on your behalf to complete upgrades. During this phase, we also help companies with custom security roles to analyze those roles and determine any changes or new roles needed. We then utilize best practices to configure security roles and database logging and auditing. And because data intelligence is one of the main value drivers of moving to a unified cloud-based Dynamics 365 platform, we help Dynamics AX, GP, and NAV users evaluate their existing BI tools and reports, replacing obsolete solutions with modern Power BI solutions. The next step of Upgrade365 is the deployment phase. During this phase, we focus on getting the organization and users ready for Microsoft Dynamics 365. First, we perform QA testing to ensure the system meets requirements and works as promised. We then perform user acceptance testing to gain employee engagement and buy-in while improving final system functionality and user experiences. Finally, we utilize a mix of live training sessions and pre-built manuals, step-by-step guided instructions, and on-demand tutorials for speeding user training. Once the final go, no-go decision is made, we go live. The final phase of Upgrade365 is the MeritCare phase. MeritCare is an ongoing support and value optimization partnership that is like having your own full team of Dynamics 365 experts that understand each app's functionality, the technical aspects of upgrades and custom development work, the intricacies of managing cloud environments, as well as most third-party integrated solutions. MeritCare team members are not simply help desk volunteers that log incidents. Oftentimes, they are with companies from the start of Upgrade365, meaning they are well informed about each company's unique business processes, not just the technology that is implemented. This provides confidence and assurance that requests for support will be resolved quickly and with the correct solution for each individual client. Companies can rest assured knowing MeritCare team members have your back. They take your issues and challenges as personally as you do and hold themselves accountable for your success. And that's why companies looking to move from Microsoft Dynamics AX, GP, or NAV should trust Upgrade365. And not just to get them running Microsoft Dynamics 365, but to enable a long-term digital transformation strategy with less risk, time, and spend, more reliability, and much higher value. If your company is considering your own Microsoft Dynamics 365 upgrade, please contact Merit Solutions now or visit us online at www.meritsolutions.com.